Stowage is an essential aspect of maritime logistics, and it's all about efficiently arranging cargo on ships. Imagine a giant puzzle where every piece must fit perfectly to ensure the ship sails smoothly and safely. Proper stowage not only maximizes space, but also enhances the stability and safety of the vessel during its journey. So, what exactly is stowage? It refers to the method of loading cargo onto a ship in a way that optimizes the use of space while ensuring that the cargo remains secure and accessible. This involves understanding the weight distribution and the nature of the cargo, whether it's heavy machinery, delicate goods, or hazardous materials. Each type of cargo has its own requirements, and the stowage plan must accommodate these to prevent damage and ensure safety. Now, let's dive into how stowage works during the loading process. Before loading begins, a detailed stowage plan is created. This plan outlines where each item will go, taking into account the ship's design and the cargo's characteristics. As the cargo is loaded, it's crucial to monitor the weight distribution. If heavy items are placed too high or too far forward, it can affect the ship's balance, leading to potential capsizing. During loading, other operations come into play. For instance, securing the cargo is vital. This involves using straps, nets, and other equipment to keep everything in place. Additionally, the crew must be aware of the ship's center of gravity and ensure that it remains within safe limits. This is where teamwork and communication are key. Everyone on deck must be coordinated to ensure that the loading process is efficient and safe. Safety precautions cannot be overlooked. The stowage plan must also consider the potential hazards associated with the cargo. For example, flammable materials need to be stored away from heat sources, and heavy items should be secured to prevent shifting during transit. Regular inspections are conducted to ensure that all safety measures are in place, and crew members are trained to handle emergencies should they arise. Why does proper stowage matter? The answer is simple. It impacts the entire journey of the ship. Efficient stowage leads to better fuel efficiency, as a well-balanced ship requires less energy to navigate. It also minimizes the risk of cargo damage, which can lead to costly losses and delays. Ultimately, proper stowage ensures that goods arrive at their destination safely and on time, which is crucial in today's fast-paced global economy. In summary, stowage is not just about packing cargo. It's a complex art that requires knowledge, precision, and teamwork. By understanding the principles of stowage, we can appreciate the vital role it plays in maritime operations and the broader supply chain.